Every time your agents hand off a ticket, context vanishes, and the next agent starts from zero. Zendesk macros can add internal notes to keep that context alive, but there's a critical limitation most teams hit too late. Let's break it down so you can work around it. Here's the catch. A single Zendesk macro can add either a public reply or an internal note, never both at the same time. That's not a bug, it's by design. Zendesk treats each comment type as a distinct action. Before building macros, confirm you have a Zendesk support account on Team Plan or higher, plus admin access or the right macro permissions for your role. If you don't have admin access, you can still build personal macros just for yourself. The simplest approach is a macro that adds only an internal note. Agents apply it whenever they need to document something privately. 4 steps get you there. Access the builder, configure the comment action, add supporting actions, then save and test. Navigate to Admin Center, then Workspaces, Agent Tools, and Macros. Click Create Macro to open the builder. Use double-colon naming like internal, handoff note or internal, escalation context to keep your library organized as it grows. Add the comment or description action, then set the comment mode drop-down to internal note. This keeps the content visible to agents only. The customer will never see it. Write your note template in the text field using placeholders for personalization. The real power of macros comes from layering actions beyond just the note. Add tags like handoff or escalated for reporting, route the assignee to the right group, and set priority to high for urgent escalations. One click does all of it together. Always test on a real ticket before rolling out to your team. Click Apply Macro, find your new macro, review the changes, then submit and verify the internal note was added correctly. Tip: type a / in the comment box to search your macros by name. When you need both a public reply and an internal note, apply 2 macros in sequence. Macro A handles the customer-facing response. Macro B documents the internal context. It requires 2 clicks, but it's completely native and costs nothing extra. If 2 macro workflows feel clunky, the Internal Note app by pluscloud on the Zendesk Marketplace lets you embed both comment types in a single macro using special syntax. It comes with a 7-day free trial and is built by a certified Zendesk master partner. Internal Note macros shine across 5 core scenarios: agent handoffs, quality reminders before ticket closure, escalation tracking, structured product feedback summaries, and compliance documentation for regulated industries. Each one saves time and reduces dropped context. Use double-colon naming conventions, always include related actions like tags and priority in the same macro, and audit your library monthly to remove outdated entries. If your macro isn't applying, check that the fields it updates are actually visible on the ticket form. Macros are static. They can't adapt to each ticket's unique context or learn from past interactions. Eesel AI reads every ticket and responds dynamically, integrating directly with Zendesk and running in simulation mode on your historical data before going live. You now have 3 methods to add internal notes with Zendesk macros, plus the best practices to keep your library clean and effective. When you're ready to go beyond templates entirely, eesel AI handles dynamic responses your macros simply cannot manage.